as a developer?
As a developer? Oh, how long have I been developing? 3 years.
3 years? What did you do prior?
I was a special investigator for Revenue Canada, investigating developers.
Oh, really? Huh. That's very interesting. What now? What led you into this? What led you into knowing you wanted to become a developer from that?
It was just something I fell into. I wasn't intended to become one, but the opportunity arose, and we said certainly.
What did you learn in your investigations? Are most?
It's all secret and confidential.
I mean, in general terms, obviously.
Well, even that may be a delicate issue.
Okay.
Let us say we have applied some of our learning in a manner which could not possibly cause us any problems, from violation of secrecy laws and whatever. Since, of course, we are still bound by the Official Secrets Act.
Official Secrets Act?
Have you never heard of that?
No, I never heard of it. That's all he's kidding away. He's not.
He's from Maine, he's not from...
Oh, you don't have an Official Secrets
the US,
Act?
no, we just have the IRS down there.
Well, up here we have the equivalent of the IRS, but we also have a thing called the Official Secrets Act, which basically says anything the government does is a top secret, not to be discussed or divulged, directly or otherwise. The penalties are quite horrendous. So we keep our mouths shut when we're being filmed.
Fair enough. Fair enough.